Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best small air fryers in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best small air fryers in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a Time&Temp oven. A 2-in-1 countertop powerhouse designed for modern cooking. This versatile appliance combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, convection oven, dehydrator, and more, making it perfect for everything from crispy fries to tender roasts. Equipped with 360-degree turbo convection technology, it ensures even cooking, faster results, and perfectly golden finishes every time. Take the guesswork out of cooking with the smart wireless meat thermometer probe. Monitor internal temperatures from your phone and achieve precision-cooked meals, whether it's juicy steak, whole chicken, or delicate fish. The intuitive touchscreen interface and pre-programmed modes simplify meal preparation, while the included recipes inspire culinary creativity. Its spacious interior and sleek design fits seamlessly on any countertop, handling family meals with ease. From baking, roasting, and air frying to dehydrating and reheating, the Time&Temp oven is the ultimate all-in-one solution for busy kitchens. Elevate your cooking, save time, and enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home with this smart, multifunctional oven. Number 2. Upgrade your kitchen with the COSORI Air Fryer 2.1 Cutie, a compact and versatile 4-in-1 appliance designed for effortless cooking. Perfect for small households, busy professionals, or anyone looking to enjoy healthier meals, this mini air fryer makes preparing your favorite dishes simple and convenient. With its advanced air circulation technology, it crisps food to perfection using up to 97% less oil, helping you indulge guilt-free. Whether you're reheating leftovers, making snacks, or cooking quick meals, the COSORI air fryer ensures even golden results every time. Its intuitive design includes 30 in-app recipes, giving you endless inspiration to try new dishes without guesswork. The easy-to-use interface and removable basket make cleaning a breeze, saving you time for the things that matter. From crispy fries to tender chicken and baked treats, this compact air fryer is your go-to kitchen companion. Small in size but big on flavor, the COSORI Air Fryer 2.1 Cutie combines efficiency, health-conscious cooking, and convenience, perfect for anyone who wants delicious meals with minimal effort. Number 3. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a Nuwave Brio Plus 8 QT air fryer, designed to combine innovation, convenience, and healthy cooking. Crafted PFAS-free, this new and improved model ensures safer meals for you and your family. Its digital touchscreen with a sleek, cool white display offers intuitive control, making cooking effortless. With a wide temperature range from 50° F to 400° F, adjustable in precise 5 degrees increments, you can achieve perfect results every time, whether roasting, baking, frying, or dehydrating. The 5 versatile cook functions allow you to create everything from crispy fries and golden chicken to tender vegetables and homemade desserts, all with less oil and fewer calories. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for families or entertaining guests, ensuring you can cook large meals in one go. Engineered for convenience, the removable basket and dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup, saving you time in the kitchen. With the Nuwave Brio Plus, enjoy efficient, healthier, and delicious meals every day. Transform your cooking, delight your taste buds, and embrace a modern, stress-free kitchen experience. Number 4. The Bare Small Air Fryer 2.1 Cutie is the perfect kitchen companion for quick, healthy meals, especially for 1 to 2 people. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms, saving valuable counter space without compromising on performance. With adjustable time and temperature controls, you can easily fry, bake, grill, or roast a variety of dishes to perfection. Crispy fries, tender chicken, roasted vegetables, or even desserts, all with little to no oil. Designed for convenience, this mini air fryer heats up quickly, allowing you to prepare snacks or meals in just minutes. Its easy-to-use interface ensures precise cooking every time, while the non-stick basket makes cleanup fast and hassle-free. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for busy lifestyles and anyone looking to enjoy healthier alternatives to traditional frying. Whether it's a quick weekday lunch or a late-night snack, the Bare Small Air Fryer delivers delicious, golden results every time, making healthy eating effortless and enjoyable. Number 5. Upgrade your kitchen experience with a 2.1 QT Small Air Fryer, a compact yet powerful cooking companion designed for modern lifestyles. This mini air fryer combines convenience, efficiency, and healthy cooking, making it perfect for small households, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. With 7-in-1 digital presets, you can effortlessly prepare fries, chicken, shrimp, steak, cake, and more with just a touch of a button. Enjoy guilt-free cooking with up to 98% less oil, delivering crispy, golden results without the excess fat. The adjustable temperature and timer allow precise control, while the shake reminder ensures even cooking every time. Its non-stick basket simplifies cleanup, making your cooking routine faster and easier. Sleek, compact, and stylish, this air fryer fits neatly on any countertop without taking up unnecessary space. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or grilling, the 2.1 QT Small Air Fryer brings versatility, efficiency, and healthier meals to your home. Make cooking effortless, enjoyable, and delicious.